Hello everyone, welcome to iMobi support channel. If you lost data on your Android device, don't worry, iMobi is here to help you. This video will demonstrate how to use deep recovery from device function to recover lost photos on Android device to computer. First, please launch DroidKit and choose deep recovery from device. Next, just select the type of data that you'd like to recover. And then please click Start button. Thirdly, connect your Android device to computer. Once the connection is completed, you will see the interface. After that, please click Next button. DroidKit will detect and distinguish your device status. If your device can be rooted, DroidKit will root your device automatically. Please keep your device connected stably during the process. After root process finishes, DroidKit will scan the deleted data from your Android device deeply. After completing the scanning process, you can preview the data scanned out. You can freely choose the data scanned out to restore to device or to computer. For instance, I need to restore the photos to my computer. I just click to computer. The data will be recovered to computer as the format you need. Please wait for the recovery process. The photos has been restored successfully now. After clicking View Files option, you can check the restored photos.